Which way you going? Oh, you're gonna go the right way. All right. There she goes again. You gonna go down on your head? Go ahead, go on your belly. What is that? Go on your belly. Uh-oh. We're going backwards. Okay. That's a new way. I haven't seen that before. Can you do it one more time? Hopefully this is wearing you out. Can you go down on your belly, on your head? Yay! Oh boy.